So what's the difference between circumstances and situations? Surprisingly and illogically in the dictionaries, it often says that situations are made up of various multiple circumstances, and that's why we say situation. To me, that doesn't seem to make sense because, for example, my situation could be that I don't have any water today. My situation could be that someone is attacking me. So that's not multiple circumstances. That's just one circumstance. My situation is I'm going through bankruptcy. So I think that makes what's in the dictionary invalid, and there's just so many levels it doesn't match with the usage of the word. So I find it a lot easier to explain when you look at it as situation being to do with someone, a living person, and where they are in relation to various circumstances. So that person, their situation contains three elements: things they control, things they indirectly control, and things they don't control. Okay. So things I don't control, for example, could be that, let's say, Brazil is going to war with Argentina. Things I might be able to control is where I am living. Indirectly, at the moment, because I've already taken that decision a long time ago in the past, and it's not so easy to move. So that's kind of an indirect one. Or my financial situation may have built up over time, so that's a little bit indirect. Obviously, the things I can directly control are where I am right now, what decisions I make right now, if I'm standing, sitting down, if I'm going to complain about something right now or not. Circumstances, on the other hand, are made of two things: what you cannot control and what you can control indirectly. So I could make a statement that investors should act according to the circumstances, and I could make a statement saying investors should act according to their situation. If I say according to their circumstances, or let's say the circumstances to clarify, the circumstances could be the economy, the price of an investment available, and so those are things really out of their control, and they should invest according to the weather, the economy, those kind of things. If I say they should invest according to their situation, the situation will include the economy and whoever's in charge of the country, any world wars going on, the weather, any takeovers happening. But it will also include things within their control or more in their control, like their own situation. So that will include how much money they've got, what their needs are at the time, what they're going through in life, and things like that. So it includes those circumstances and situations that they are in. That's all included in the situation. But if I just wanted to say, irrelevant of what their situation is, they can invest according to the circumstances. That takes it a lot out of their control and more into that domain of what's happening around you that's not really in your domain. Imagine that I said, I could not attend your birthday party due to the circumstances not permitting me. Or if I told you that, I'm sorry, I'm unable to attend your birthday party because of my situation or the situation. Now, the first one sounds as if it's not my fault. The second one sounds not necessarily that it definitely is, but that it could be. So if I say the circumstances, it sounds like it's not in my control. Now, I couldn't attend because of the circumstances. It sounds like there was something blocking me that I couldn't control. And with the other way, saying my situation or the situation, it sounds like, hey, well, maybe he could have come and he didn't want to, or he didn't make the effort, or he didn't do things quite right. So I hope that clears it up for you. There's probably a lot more you can discuss, and there's some situations where one word just doesn't seem to fit well and the other word does fit well in the English language. But I hope that helps, and leave your comments below.